Hi, my name is Stanley and this is my channel. Once again, welcome to my channel. In this video, I want to suggest five online business that can pay you $100 per day. Imagine you making $100 per day. Now, 7 days you get $700. In 10 days you are getting $1,000. Imagine that, adding it to all the money you're making every day. You know how much it is. But you know the best aspect of this, it does not stop your current business. Be you a student, be you a housewife, or be you a graduate, or be you a working class. No matter your career or no matter what you do, it does not stop you from doing it. This online business, you can work it, you can do them any time of your choice, whenever you have chance. You do it at your own pace, at your own time pace. Therefore, but one thing I want you to do for me in this video as I continue is to subscribe to my channel. If it is your first time to come, subscribe to my channel, share this video, like it, as that will make you to take it to more people. I know you don't want to keep the good information for yourself. You would like to share it. Therefore, I suggest you share it to your friends, share it to a WhatsApp group, Facebook groups, and other social media groups that you have, which will enable many people to watch this video and also subscribe to our channel as we share legit businesses on this channel. One of the business that I want you to do is affiliate marketing. What is affiliate marketing, you might be asking? Affiliate marketing is a process of promoting other people's business to earn commission. Promoting other people's business to earn commission or products. You don't even need to have your own products. You don't even need to produce something to sell. No, you promote other people's products to earn commission. Each time people buy market, maybe using your affiliate link or direct sales, you get commission. And that is what affiliate marketing is known as. Another thing, number 2, is starting a blog. Starting a blog is starting a fun journey. What does that mean? You plug your passion. There is always a popular saying that you plug your passion. Therefore, you don't even need to work on the passion or to work on the niche you don't know. Rather, you begin to write what you know about. You begin to tell people or teach them what you know about. That is what blogging is all about. A blog is a web platform where you share your ideas. Let me put it this way. It is where you share your passion. Where you share your passion using writing. Then number 3 of the business is working as a freelancer. A freelancing job, many companies today are looking for freelancers to work as a service representative, or a test operator, or even work as a writer for them. Therefore, you can become one. You can be one of the people that they will hire. Good luck to you. Then another one, which is number 4 of the business, is create and sell online course. Creating your own course and sell it at any amount you wish to sell it yourself is another business that pays a good amount of money. It gives up to $100 per day. How do you do that? You create what you know how to create. You place the amount you want to place for it. If one person buy, another person buy. For instance, you create a course and you are selling it $1,000 per course. And then 2 persons grab the course and pays $1,000 per course. That is actually $2,000 you have made per day. Then number 5, which is the last, is build an online store or build an e-commerce store. What does that mean? You build a website where you will put catalog to be selling products. Then people who put their products, you put your own products. When you sell, you earn your money. You build, you sell. You put business there. If anybody requests for any products you put online, you will deliver it to them and you will earn your money. All these 5 businesses are what people are passing and using to pass from day-to-day journey. You use it to make enough money, you can become the next person who will make. Now imagine when you start an affiliate marketing, for instance, affiliate marketing that pays you $100 per product, and you are able to sell up to 500 products per day. Calculate it and know how much it is. It is capable of giving you any kind of money you want. What you need to do all these businesses is just a smartphone or a computer, and let me just say, an access to internet connection. Good luck. Thank you for watching. And good luck. Please remember to subscribe, as I said, share this video, make it go viral, and may God bless you.